Hello guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to be learning how to make a zombie outbreak game, so let's get started. So you want to get the delete tool, click the cat, so you're going to get rid of him, make a new sprite. This is going to be our player. So you want to make that a little bit like this. Here are his hands and his gun. There we go. Next, you wanna get one flag clicked, show forever, point towards mouse pointer, so when I start he is going to be pointing at it, so I can shoot in specific areas. After I get another one flag clicked, forever, if key right arrow pressed, then change X by 10, actually move 10 steps, so he can move in any direction. It's demonstrated. There we go. You want to decapitate this, change this to left arrow, change this to -10. There we go. There we go. Okay, so there we go. You can move back and forth in any direction. Yeah, it's pretty useful when he needs to move around when the zombies are trying to get to him. So next thing we're gonna do is get another if-then statement. Go to sensing. Get one key space pressed. What you want to do is create a new sprite. This is going to be the bullet. There we go.
Bomb the robots.
And there we go. Let's make this just a tiny bit bigger. Okay, so when flag clicked, hide, when I start as a clone, show, go to sprite 1, which is the player, forever. Actually, no. Repeat into, and then moves 10 steps inside. So repeat into touching edge. So go to sensing and get touching edge. And then at the end, under the repeat into, you want to put delete this clone. So delete the clone. So let's see how it works. Oh, and I forgot to code the little shooting part. So create clone of sprite 2, which is the bullet, and you want to make a new variable called ammo. So set ammo to, let's do 100, 150, actually, just to make it fair. Change ammo by -1, and then put in wait 0.5 seconds, and basically it'll give the player a cooldown before they can shoot again. So it's basically like this. Because if I were to remove that, they would be able to spam it. also, we want it to be able to point in the direction that the player's pointing in, because the player's pointing over here and is shooting over there. That makes no sense. So you also want it to point towards mouse pointer. Let's see how that goes. There we go. You can shoot where we want it to shoot now. Okay, so now you want to make this into a separate sprite for a specific reason. Get it with flag clicked forever. Now get it if then statement and get if ammo or if ammo equals 0 or if the ammo equals 0 or somehow it was able to get below 0, we have to put in this so it will still delete even if it's below 0. So there we go. Okay, let's put this over here. And next what you want to do is make it say no ammo to alert the player. So no ammo. So this is gonna, the reason we put ammo here is so you have to make the player make every shot count, then change ammo by 0 so it won't do anything to ammo, and then stop this script because you can't put it in here or else it will stop the moving and stuff. So we don't want that. That's why we put it in a separate script. And let's see how it works. Hold on guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so he has 0 ammo and he can't shoot anymore. So yeah, see, look, can't shoot. So basically what it does is when the ammo equals 0 or somehow it gets below 0, because a lot of times the variable that I have goes below 0 and it won't be able to activate this script, so you gotta put that there. And you want it to say no ammo to alert the player, so it will alert the player that has no ammo. The ammo won't change, it'll stay at 0, and it will stop the script so they can't shoot anymore. Because if you remove this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so put the stop script there, because apparently it will just keep saying no ammo. And if you want it to say no ammo and just make sure the player sees it, you can remove this. But if you don't want it to be annoying and like keep saying it, then you can keep that there. But I only want to say it, make it say it once, because they can look all the way up here and see their ammo instead of having the system tell them. They're still gonna allow that to happen, but just not over and over again. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.